Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here at the Zen Zone feeding our two goldfish, and they're still here after all flooding rain that we have. I guess that God helped them pick a perfect spot up under this little rock right here, and they're getting bigger and just nibbling away at the food I gave them with the other fish. Can't really see them though, they're not as bright as the goldfish. They're sparkling and shining with their little hitting the water, eating the insects like they should, and keeping our water clean like the other fish do. And a couple of little minnows. Enjoying it. Hope you enjoy our goldfish in the Zen Zone. Seeing that there's 2 years after the flood, and here with our little puppy sweetie. God bless and Jesus loves you all. Hope you enjoy. Love you guys.